Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I decided to do the roll, tag and pin updo on my hair. So if you want to know how you can achieve this hairstyle on your blown out hair or your stretched natural hair, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting on hair that is stretched. Okay, so I did stretch my hair using the rubber band method. I think that's what it's called. So I'm just gonna start by parting my hair, the one in the center of my head. I'm just parting my hair and putting that away because we're gonna work on that later. But first we want to make sure like the sides are taken care of, so I'm just doing my lines. And you guys know I be lazy with the lines because I cannot do lines by my own. So but for this particular hairstyle I needed to have somewhat neat lines. So we tried. Okay, so that's what I'm working on right now, just making sure that my lines are nice and neat. Okay, because we're gonna see that side, so I'm gonna do the same on both sides and put the hair away for now. Alright, so now we're gonna work on the hair. So I'm using a little gel because with this hairstyle I do not want it to be sleek. I still want my hair to be in its natural state, if I can use that word. So I want my hair to be in its natural state, and I'm gonna use a rubber band to tie that. But it's a little gel, guys, that I'm using. I didn't use it a lot at all, just to style it. But I'm not trying to have like a sleek updo or whatever. I'm not trying to have my hair all sleek. I still want it to have texture, like in its natural state. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side as well. Just a little gel, and then I'm gonna brush the hair and tie that with the rubber band on both sides. Okay, now we're gonna work on the back. Okay, so with the back I'm just gonna split it in the middle, and this thankfully doesn't have to be neat like the front, because this part here we're not even gonna see it at all. So this is where the tack, roll and pin comes in. Okay, so I'm just putting the hair in front away because I don't want it to come in the way of me styling. I don't want it to come in the way when I'm styling my hair in the back. But all we're doing is taking that hair, a little bit of hair as I'm going down, and I'm just sectioning a hair, a little bit of hair, not a lot. And then when I take enough hair, I'm gonna roll it and then pin it, roll it, then tack, then pin it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing that until I reach the bottom of my head. So there's a few things that I learned as I was doing this, that the direction in which you're rolling your hair really matters. Okay, I made that mistake. You can't really see it, but yeah, I did make that mistake. I ended up fixing it in the end, but it does matter which side you're rolling the hair. Rolling the hair. So we're just gonna go down and keep doing the same thing until we reach the bottom of my head. Like I said, the kitchen of my head. As I was doing the hair, I didn't realize that until I was editing, and I was like, yeah, it actually matters where I'm the direction in which I'm rolling the hair. But it still looked cute, so it's okay. But yeah, another important thing is that when you're rolling the hair and then you tack it, you make sure you tack it inside the other hair opposite. like I just did over there. Hopefully the video makes sense as you're watching, you know, better than me trying to explain what I'm saying. Okay, and this is the last one, and this is where I learned that I was making a mistake. So I would have been rolling it the opposite way, you know, like here you see it's showing a little bit of my scalp. But I did end up fixing it in the end, so just FYI. Alright, so there you go, after it's fixed. Alright, so this is how the hair should look in the back. It's so cute. So cute. Alright, now we're gonna work in the front of the hair. Okay. So I'm just gonna, the two sides that I put away in the first place, I'm just gonna first start by brushing them, just so they should be, you know, a little neat. But I'm gonna end up rolling those ones and just tucking them in. So I'm tucking that, just gonna end up rolling that and tucking them. Just, you know, I don't even know how to explain that. I don't even know how to explain that, yo. Like, girl, okay, yeah. So we're just gonna tuck them inside the other hair. You know, however you can do it to hide it, basically, you know. Okay, so in the front, we're gonna basically continue from where we left off from the back, okay? But we're going towards the front and not towards the back like we're doing in the back. Okay, so I'm splitting it in the middle. Okay, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch and see what I'm doing, you know. Okay, so with the last part of the hair, you can really work that however you want to work it, whatever works with your head shape, and you know, however you like it, you can just freestyle it pretty much. But yeah, so one of the things that I wanted to say is I think brushing the hair as you go is actually a good idea, because I felt like the ones that I brushed were neater, for the lack of a better word. But yeah, so just wanted to point that out. But this is basically the finished look. Okay. Do we love it, or do we like it, or what? Like, I was feeling this hairstyle, okay? I was like, girl, this is so cute, you know. But yeah, it's really different from me, because I don't really style my own natural hair, apart from like twists and braid outs and stuff. But as far as when I'm doing updos and stuff, I don't really style it. So it was really different, but I really like it. I was like, damn, girl, okay. So anyway, this is it for this video, guys. Please make sure you hit the like button if you loved this video. Show your girl some love. Comment below and let me know, would you rock this hairstyle or not? Okay. And subscribe if you haven't. I shall see you in my next video. Bye, guys.